Let's say there are two developers sitting in front of a recruiter. Both have completed their engineering degree, both understand programming, both know about AI coding tools, and they've both heard of Claude, GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Nova, Replit, and all the other tools that are changing the way the software is built. But there is a one major difference. The first developer knows these tools exist and maybe has even tried some of them a few times, but doesn't really know how to harness their power. They still follow the same development workflow they've always followed. They still manually handle the repetitive tasks, so spend hours going through code and search for solutions whenever they get stuck, and use AI occasionally rather than making it a part of their development workflow. Now, the second developer has the same degree, the same technical foundation, but they've actually learned how to integrate AI into their daily development workflow. They know how to use AI, how to give it the right context, how to work with an existing code base, how to use it for debugging, how to accelerate implementation. Basically, how to use AI to go from problem to a working solution much faster. Now, if you're a company hiring in 2026, which developer would you rather have? And that's exactly what I'm gonna talk about in this video. Hey guys, this is Dharmik, and I think the way we define good developer is changing. It's no longer about how much code you can write, it's about how efficiently you can get the work done. Because think about the kind of work developers do every single day. Writing boilerplates, debugging common errors, writing tests, going through documentation, making multiple repetitive changes across multiple files. AI can now help you with a huge part of that. So why spend your whole day doing it manually? And here is where AI replacing developers' conversation gets misunderstood. You are not going to be replaced by AI, but you are going to be replaced by developers who know how to integrate AI into their workflow and get more done than you. See, a task takes 10 hours. Developer A does it the traditional way, uses AI occasionally, finishes it in 10 hours. Developer B uses AI throughout to understand code base, generate implementation, investigate any bugs, write tests, and review code. Same task done in 2 to 3 hours, same quality. So who's more valuable to the company? This doesn't mean blindly throwing every task at AI. You still need to understand what you are building, review the output, and catch mistakes. But you don't have to manually do every single part. So start treating tools like Claude, Copilot, Cursor, Nova, and Replit as part of your everyday workflow, not something you experiment with once in a while. New project, use AI to structure it. Existing code base, use it to understand the architecture. Stuck on a bug, use it to investigate instead of digging through forums for an hour. If you are a student or fresher, this matters even more. Two candidates with the same degree, but one has actually built with these tools, debugged real code, and gone from idea to a working prototype real fast, that's the one who stands out. So don't spend all your time memorizing another framework because it looks good on your resume. Learn the workflow. Build something real. Use AI, make mistakes, and figure out where it helps and where you still need to take control. The competition isn't between developers and AI. It's between developers who know how to use AI and developers who don't. And if you can consistently deliver 10 hours of work within 2, that's what gets you the job. And if you want hands-on experience instead of just watching videos about it, that's exactly why we are giving our Nova users 40,000 of free tokens every day. Go build something real and see how much faster your workflow gets. And I'll see you in the next one.